Zoe's the seeker. I think he does like you. Respectfully, if I like someone and they're the seeker, I'm following them. Alright, fine. Godzilla Pro the seeker. Oh, no one likes me. No one follows me.
Okay, overtime pa mo. Good evening, friends. Ayan, si teacher. Super busy-busyhan lagi mo. Deadline lagi mo. Para matapos yung laking ginagawa. Recording ng mga exams. Gawa ng mga reports. Kasi nga EOS 1 na. End of school year. Super busy. Dapat ma-report na lahat ng mga papers para makomplete na ang grades.
Godzilla, where are you going? Martin, Martin. Wait, Godzilla, right there. I'm kidding, I saw you. No. I tricked you, and now I'm gonna get your body. Do not get Godzilla, bro. I'm getting you. You're not gonna survive. You're dead. Come here. Leave him alone. Oh! He's doing some moves on me. Come here, kid. That's some emo, so he could go. You're not gonna catch him. No, no, no. Oh! Wait, he survived. Wait, what? There are so many people there. There's only two left. It's Nico and Godzilla Pro. Are they dead? I can't tell. Yeah, they're dead. No! Hey, really? GG, Zoe. Godzilla Pro survived me. He's right there. I was literally just standing in the corner the entire time. Oh, God. If you want to watch more videos of us, just click on the screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys. Bye. Today we're all playing a hide and seek where we can all hide in a specific color.
Ma!
We can
Inalawang tulog, mama. Inalawang tulog, mama. Pupunta na tayo sa dagat.
Gal pa, may pasok pa si mama.
Naalala.
Hindi pa kami bakasyon, ikaw pa lang ang bakasyon.
Dito si Kuya Nonoy.
Hindi ko alam.
Opo.
Guessing whenever I toss it, it glows everybody on the map. So hopefully that'll help me a little bit. But if they can disguise as any color,
Sana all bakasyon na, di ba, Noah?
they're gonna be like
Bakasyon na si Noah.
Hey, just so you guys know, you got about 45
Kami
seconds
hindi
to
pa.
hide this black for a while.
Gusto nang magpunta sa dagat.
3, 2, 1, I'm free! Finally! And I have 5 minutes left. Alright, it's time to start looking around. I know you guys are probably right under my nose. Is somebody hiding this barn, huh? Are we gonna have another barn incident? No. Nico, you better not have chosen red. You know that's my color. I have it. Alright, well, I'm looking around. I'm in a hidden spot. A hidden spot, you say? Okay,
1, 2, 3.
I wonder what color
Nakita.
Very good.
Iba yung kulay ng ballpen, hindi masyadong visible. Purple kasi. Kala ko hindi nila ginawa-score.
Alright, be honest. Did I walk past somebody just now? Okay, maybe I'm just blind. So you ain't near anybody, bro. Wait, I'm going to another sector of the map. Maybe this will be better. Not seeing anything yet.
Galing ng mga students ko. Pataas yung score sa exam.
They could be blending in very nicely around here. What if I break the name? No, nothing lower here. Does this map kind of remind you guys of I feel like I'll give you a hint. But if this was Slenderman, I would be a piece of paper.
Basta guys, nakakaantok.
And he's gone.
Kaya lang, kailangan mag-double time para umabot sa deadline.
Anyways, what were you saying, Shady? You wanted to give me a hint, didn't you?
Wala namang ibang tutulong.
You gotta tell me what color he was. Alright, it's all good.
Kanina nga, nag-exercise muna ako kasi
Okay, are you red?
masakit na yung likod ko.
You didn't
Saka
answer that one. That's it. I think I have to use
balakang.
You know what? I have three of them. Let me try it.
Nag-walk-walk
Okay, it's hot
muna.
now. I see somebody. Okay, who do I even go for first? Okay, I'm going for the barn. Actually, no. Whoever goes
Basta kayo,
first,
guys.
definitely wait for it.
Nasa ano na tayo.
You, Zoe?
Mainit na climate na tayo ngayon. Summer.
It's gotta be you.
Iba mga nag-swimming na, nag-outing na.
No, you can't shimmy away. Zoe, girl, you're like fully green.
Ingat lang.
Yes. No.
Kami wala pang schedule kung kailan makakapunta sa dagat. Si Noah ang laging tanong ng tanong kung kailan na daw kami pupunta sa dagat. Kasi siya wala nang pasok. Kami meron. Kala niya siguro sabay-sabay ang pagbabakasyon.
Where's Shady at? Oh, why not these two people? Okay, what's this stuff? Shady, did you orc into two people? Is that like mitosis? No, I think there's someone else playing. What? What do you mean someone else playing? It was literally just the five of us when we started. Maybe someone intervened on our game. Oh, really? Shady, are you up here? Uh-oh. Sigma, I know you're around here, bro. I think they tricked you because I'm not even near there. Wait, what? You're not? Okay, I gotta use my last sword. Oh, you were the one over there. Okay,
21,
what's this
32,
stuff?
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36.
Cut it out. I was literally over here in the beginning.
Okay,
Is that why you
30
went
fine.
silent? No! You won? Where even were you? Wait, the peanut was here. Okay, you all stole Nico's color. I didn't steal Nico's color. This is my color first. I
Yeah,
didn't realize the
tama
peanut
na
was
muna
mine. I always
yung
put that way
video
farther. Not really first.
para mas madali ito. Bye, friends.
I like that. Okay, little bro. It's time for the next round. Shady wins. Okay.